First of all, I would like to thank you for clicking on the link. Now, I just want your 2 minutes time. See, I completely understand where you come from. You must be stressed, overwhelmed. Maybe you are not able to focus on your goal. Maybe you are anxious, you're overthinking. Now, since you have landed to this page, मेरा बस इतना ही रिक्वेस्ट है, थोड़ा सा आप टाइम दे दीजिए ताकि मैं समझा पाऊँ इस प्रोग्राम में आपको क्या मिलने वाला है. As a full-time coach and healer, we use 3 transformational metrics: mind, body, and energy. We do deep level work. So here in this workshop, you're going to understand why this is so important that you need to work on mind, body, and energy. सिर्फ mindset काम नहीं करता है, सिर्फ energy काम नहीं करता है. If you are into remedies, you have more crystals, you have more gemstones, but it did not work. At the same time, you have taken therapy, you have watched motivational video, you have tried all sort of mindset work, you have tried positive affirmation, you have tried visualization, but nothing worked for you. It is because the 3 things are not synced and you are still stuck there. So if you really want to come out of it, you need to work on the 3 parameters. Let me give you an example. When there is a glass filled with dirty water already, when you pour clean water, it doesn't get clean automatically. But you have to first drop the complete water, then pour fresh water. Now imagine yourself to be that glass. And those dirty water are your previous conditioning and belief system, which needs to be cleaned completely, and which is why you keep repeating similar patterns into your life. Because जब वो dirty water रहता है, उसके साथ आप और पानी डाल देते हो तो वो dirty हो ही जाता है ना कहीं stain रह जाता है. So which is why we need to take out the dirty water first, clean yourself, and then pour fresh water. It is exactly like that. If you are the glass of water and your emotions, your belief system, your conditioning, are those dirty water. When you clean it first, when you pour new beliefs, positive thinking, visualization, lot of other deeper level work we are going to do in this workshop can always remain in that higher vibrational frequency. Now, what is higher vibrational frequency? We all vibrate in certain frequency. How we vibrate? See, we get 60 to 80,000 thoughts every single day. And out of all the thoughts, unfortunately, 90% of the thoughts are negative for a normal person. और अगर आप स्ट्रेस्ड हो, कॉर्पोरेट में काम करते हो, या तो होम मेकर हो बट कुछ नहीं कर पा रहे हो, या फिर आपको कोई भी इलनेस है, then that 90% becomes 98%. When are you going to manifest everything beautifully in your life? When your 80% to 90% thoughts are positive instead of negative. क्या ये पॉसिबल है होना? Yes, it is absolutely possible. Perspective shifts as your vibrational frequency shifts. वाइस वर्सा. वैसे ही आप अगर अपने वाइब्रेशन को शिफ्ट करोगे, आपका थॉट प्रोसेस भी शिफ्ट होने लगेगा इवेंचुअली. सो आई एम गोइंग टू मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड ऑल दिस कॉन्सेप्ट्स इन सिंपल लैंग्वेज. वी कीप अट्रैक्टिंग ऑल द टाइम. हम मैनिफेस्टेशन हर वक्त करते रहते हैं, लेकिन ये जो हमारा काम नहीं होता, जो हमने लिखा था, हमने एफर्मेशन डाला था, बट स्टिल इट डिड नॉट वर्क. It actually worked because you are vibrating in lower frequency. भले ही आप conscious mind में लिखो and बोलो कि I have abundance of money, I have lots of money into my life, but your belief system is different. It believes you do not have money. You say that I am at best health, but deep inside you feel that, oh my God, no, I am not absolutely fine. So आप जैसा feel करते हो, वही चीज आप attract करते हो. Which is why you need to know how to tap into your subconscious and unconscious mind to shift your vibration. This is exactly what you're going to learn, how we are going to align mind, body, and energy. What I can promise you after this session, when you go out, you will experience a different sense of calmness. You will know how exactly you can tame your emotions. Emotions are not bad, but when you're overwhelmed, जब ज़्यादा हो जाता है, that's when you start overreacting or things go completely wrong. Therefore, we will know how to regulate our emotions. If this aligns with you, you're welcome to join the program. I'm Rakhi Dhar. I'm a transformation coach. After working for 16 years in corporate, I have decided to do something on my own that is aligned to my life purpose. My journey as a healer and coach started in the year 2014 when my mom was diagnosed with cancer. By the virtue of my profession, because I was in HR, in leading organizations, I could counsel so many people around me. And when I gained complete confidence and have seen transformation over people, that's when I decided that let me take it to the larger scale, and that's how I am here. See you inside.